We're also plot the inequalities on the given number line, and then write the inequalities using interval notation. First, we have x is greater than negative 3. Because this interval does not include negative 3, because we read this as x less than negative 3, not less than or equal to negative 3, we make an open point on negative 3. This indicates negative 3 is not in the interval. And because x is greater than negative 3, we draw an arrow to the right. Before we give interval notation, if we continue right indefinitely, we approach positive infinity. This will help write the interval notation. And now for interval notation, we begin with the interval from negative 3 to infinity by negative 3 comma infinity. And then to the left of negative 3, because negative 3 is not in the interval, we use a rounded parenthesis. If it was included, we would use a square bracket. And then to the right of positive infinity, as well as to the left of negative infinity, we always use a rounded parenthesis. For the second example, we have x is less than or equal to positive 2. In this case, positive 2 is in the interval. We indicate this by making a closed point on positive 2. And because x is less than or equal to positive 2, we draw an arrow to the left. And as we continue left, we approach negative infinity. And now for interval notation, we begin with negative infinity comma 2. In this case, because 2 is in the interval, we use a square bracket to the right of positive 2. And to the left of negative infinity, we use a rounded parenthesis. I hope you found this helpful.